Jab!
Get me out of here!
You're free.
Oh. Put her in the super hot bikini.
Help! I've been captured and put in a super hot bikini.
I'll save you, princess.
Or not.
Now Jabba's gonna feed us to that big ugly monster.
Not if we kill everybody.
Hooray! Is this new Death Star ready yet?
Almost.
Good. I really want to destroy the galaxy.
If we blow up this new Death Star, we can finally save the galaxy.
I'll do it, Admiral Fish Guy.
Cool. Anyone want to blow up some stuff on Endor?
We'll do it. Well, here we are on Endor.
Now what?
Now we ride speeder bikes. Time to face Vader. My friends are gonna blow up this new Death Star and save the galaxy.
That's what you think. It's a trap.
It's a trap?
It's a trap!
Son of a...
Come to the dark side, Luke.
No thanks.
Ouchie!
Now I'll shock you with my lightning hands.
Lightning hands!
Stop shocking my son with your lightning hands.
No!
Fire in the hole! Time to shoot the center of the Death Star.
We gotta get out of here.
No, take off my mask so I can say I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
We're cool.
Okay, I'm gonna die now.
Well, that's resolved. I'm out of here. Hooray!
We defeated the Empire.
And I'm a super cool Jedi.
And we're in love.
So what are we gonna do now?
How about a prequel?
Wow, yeah!
All right!